because I equal fun.
Karp Media.
Here we are. We're heading back to Lima, Peru from Huacachina, which is about 5 hours to the south. And I love gazing out the window, just getting lost in the dramatic changes in landscape. Truly incredible. Kind of like a fantasy in many aspects. Very odd, very cool though. So I'm just gonna throw this video up because I know somebody will appreciate it because I like watching landscapes. So this is heading from Huacachina to Lima in about 5 minutes, but it took 5 hours. Ciao. Somebody might say, this guy's crazy. This place looks depressing and ugly and terrible and third world. And I know people will say that, but what I can tell you is this is my favorite country on the planet and has done more for me than you can possibly imagine. And it's the in-between that can get you down. It's the in-between that can teach you a lot. It's the in-between that can depress you. But the marbles are everywhere else. And that's why I keep coming back, because this place is just, for me, an education, an adventure, and in everything. It's all beauty. Arrived back in Lima, and I just want to plug Cruz del Sur because this bus company is absolutely awesome. Got me very comfortably and safe from one place to another for like $17. And that's all they do. They go all over. So Cruz del Sur, ciao.